Hi guys, today's the day. I have all my straps and ridge lines made to replace these ones, and today's the day. Okay, this is my gold armor double hammock. I really like this hammock. It comes out of the stuff sack ready to hang, and what it comes with is the hammock, continuous loops to hold the hammock to the carabiner, and tree straps, two tree straps. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this gear. It comes out ready to go up. And like I said, I really like this hammock. It is 10.4 feet long and 6.6 feet wide. It is a double hammock. It is made out of 210T parachute nylon. It's mildew resistant. It has a triple interlocked stitching, which adds to the security, the strength. Yes, strength is a better word, of the hammock. It holds 500 pounds. The straps, each straps hold 500 pounds. Most of the hammocks today, if they're not coming in from China, are cottage hammocks, and this is a US-based company. This hammock comes with a 15-year warranty. And if for any reason that you don't like this hammock, you call the company and they say within 5 hours you'll get your money back and you can keep the hammock. I've not tested that, but that is their warranty. Now, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this hammock as it is, but for my own peace of mind, I want to know that I'm not going to fall. Because let's face it, if I fall, I'm breaking a hip, probably. Okay, I could not find any information on the carabiner. I don't know the weight capacity of the carabiner, and that concerns me. I would assume, and you know what it is when you assume something, that because the hammock and the tree straps are 500-pound weight capacity, this would be equivalent, if not higher. Okay, the carabiner itself is flat. The only catch points that it could have, there's 2 pins, one here for the gate and one down here. So those are the only places that it could catch, and I don't have any information on this continuous loop. Same rule of thought for me is if the hammock and the tree straps are 500 pounds, this should be equivalent. I fully tested this hammock, and I really like this hammock system. It is very comfortable, and the material is very soft. Okay, but like I said, I am changing out the hardware for Amsteel because I just want to know that I'm not going to fall. Not to say that this is going to fail, because it is very well made. There's nothing wrong with this hammock, and it's ready to go out of the stuff sack, you know, to hang between 2 trees. Okay, so I'm going to take it down, and I am going to switch everything out. Okay, so I've taken a carabiner off the loop, and I'm having trouble. Oh, there it goes. Okay. This is my soft shackle. Now I'm relying on friction to keep that on there. All right. It's going in. All right, now you want to hang on to the end. And just feed it through the channel. Okay, it's out. Take it off of the continuous loop. Okay, now you want to grab your Woopie sling, and I want the loop to go through the saw shackle. Okay, and this is my Woopie sling. I think I want the loop to go through the saw shackle on this end too. Okay, give it some slack, feed the knot into the continuous loop or the saw shackle, tighten it down, and there you have one side completely done. Okay, so all you gotta do is repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so this is tightened down too from use. Okay, take the carabiner off. Okay, work the loop. Get your saw shackle. Take it apart. Boy, that's a sad looking knot. Okay. On to the end and just feed it through the channel. There she is. Okay, now take the opened end of your Woopie sling, your ridge line, and put the knot through it. Then you take the fixed end of your Woopie sling and put it through it, and then slack up your soft shackle, put it over the knot, tighten it up. And just redressing the knot. Okay, now that's ready to hang. Okay, so here you have it. We have a lot of shadow. Okay, so here we have our soft shackle. Here we have our soft shackle. The Woopie sling is going to that tree. Then you have the ridge line connected to the soft shackle up there, and the Woopie sling going to that tree right there. Now, this will enable me to hang further apart, so I don't have to be that choosy about my trees. And the ridge line will give me, let me get on the other side of this, will give me the same hang, the same swag, yes, the same swag every time I hang it, if I don't change the adjustion. Is that a word? If I don't adjust it. Let's try that. Okay, now these are constrictor berries. They act like a Chinese finger. I can't speak today. They act like a Chinese finger puzzle. And it's very hard to do it one-handed. But to move your line in and out, you release it. You push it together. See how that's pushing together? And that will enable this line to move freely in the berry. And that is what adjusts the swag. Here is my saw shackle. The Woopie sling is under the same type of orientation. You have a constrictor berry right here. And then I always put washers in it. Or nuts or a bead. So I cannot feed this loop down into the constrictor, because if I do, I will never ever get it back out. And it's virtually useless. I swapped out the tree straps. I have a marlin spike hitch holding this together, and this is just a hitch pin. You always hang on the knot. You never ever hang on your toggle. The hitch pin is acting as a toggle. And it goes on up and wraps around the tree. And that is part of my hammock setup. Of course, I have bug nets and tarps and so there it is. Thanks for coming along another project, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, now I'm going to try this bad boy out. Talk to you later.